haven't heard of Rebuy before, it's a really helpful tool for Shopify. It lets you do a whole bunch of different things, whether you want to upsell with post-purchase, you want to add different product recommendations. So I just want to kind of break down how the app looks like and then all the things that you can actually do with this platform. It's a very, very powerful tool. So I just want to break down briefly some of the things that it has for yourself as a Shopify merchant. So take a look here at the homepage here. You notice that it has things like a smart cart, post-purchase, which again is really great for marketing. Let's say customers have added a product to their cart, and they've checked out, they've purchased this product, but now you want to upsell them with maybe a similar product or a product that they'd be interested in. You can actually use Rebuy to set up this post-purchasing flow, and even add a timer so that way you can kind of create this urgency and just encourage customers to continue engaging with your brand. So this is a pretty good feature here. So they have a whole bunch of features listed out here, product recommendations, reorder the landing page. If you come in here and you look at their some of the options here, you see the different things. So for instance, if you want to work on the home page and you want to make additions here, you can display top sellers, you can display featured items, recently viewed. Come down here, let's take a look at our product page now. And you can see that we can actually add in new widgets. We can add in the add to cart subscriptions. You can add recently viewed here, top sellers again, bundles, buy it again. So many useful things for yourself as a merchant, again, to help retain these customers and really get them more engaged. This is a nice feature as well for the cart. If you want to, make additions or upgrades to the cart, add cart recommendations, recently viewed again. There's a lot of things that you can actually do on your cart page. And then notice here that we have checkout extensions. So with Shopify, they have Shopify Plus where you can add checkout extensibility and you can add those different features. But let's say you're not on Shopify Plus and you are just on regular Shopify plan. With Rebuy, you have the option to actually add some of these functionalities here. For instance, personalization here, and some of these other features as well. So this is really helpful as well. It's a really good deal that they have here in store for you to be able to add some of these features to your store. Post-purchasing thank you page as well. I thought this was a good feature as well to be able to, create a thank you page and thank customers for shopping on your page here. Next, we'll take a look at some of the data sources here. If you need to include some of this in your store, you can actually include these data sources here. We come now here to Smart Cart. Smart Cart is a cool feature as well. If you really want to get into it, you can see some of the things that you can actually implement with the Smart Cart here. The cart features, you can add an announcement bar, accelerated checkouts. The cool thing about the announcement bar, sometimes I've been asked by merchants to maybe you want to add an announcement or a message in the cart. Now that involves going into the code and doing that sort of thing. But now with Rebuy, you can actually add this announcement bar to your cart, to your cart page without actually needing to dive into the code. The app handles it all for you. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. Gift with purchase. So if you want to give customers more of an incentive to add more products, you can actually offer customers a gift. Say, if you add maybe this many products or if your order totals to this specific value, you can get a gift. So those are all cool features that Rebuy has as well. You notice they have smart search. So if customers need assistance with actually searching for their products and making things easier for them, you know, this feature is really helpful as well. So definitely something to look into on Rebuy. Like we mentioned earlier, check out extensions, A/B testing, if that's something that you want to test on your store, if that's something you want to get into as well, maybe testing this specific product page versus this page. Maybe you want to test out language, the copywriting. Maybe you want to test out different colors and see which page performs better. Maybe you want to test out a featured product section versus not the featured product section and compare the two and see which one performs better. So get started with A/B testing. Again, very helpful here with Rebuy. Again, if you want to create landing pages and activate landing pages, they have this feature in here as well. Then they have the report. So if you want to check a report today, custom report, 60 days, 90 days, they have that here as well. They have different integration, whatever. Again, it's also a nice feature. If you'd like to integrate some of these third-party features like Klaviyo or Yapto for reviews, Stamped is a good reviews tool as well. And so all these different tools that they actually have in here as well, that you can actually customize and integrate with Rebuy. Very useful here. Here's where it actually shows all the different products that you have on your store. So for this example here, this is my store. Again, it's already automatically uploaded in here, which is very nice. You can manage your team, you can manage the settings. Again, I just wanted to give a brief overview of Rebuy and some of the useful features that it has in store. Maybe if you've heard about it or you've never heard about it, maybe you're considering whether or not it's right for you. Hopefully this video actually gave you some ideas of potential improvements or integrations or additions that you can add to your website to give it that extra boost it needs and to optimize it for conversions. If you need help setting up Rebuy on your store, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. All my information is down below. If you'd like to either book a call or just send me an email, I'll be glad to help you out and answer any questions. My website is also down below. If you'd like to, just take a look through, see some of the work that we've done, see what other people have said. And then, of course, we also do have our digital products. If that's something of use to you as a business owner. But once again, please feel free to book a call or reach out if you have any questions about Rebuy, setting something like this up on your Shopify store. I'll be more than happy to help out. But once again, I hope the video was helpful and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.